Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install characters in Arc29. So first of all, download your file, extract the file, then go to the Arc29's setup options and on its administration. So if you install this file, first of all you go to the settings, set on your real-time protections, network settings. So after the complete the all setting process, please wait. And please like and subscribe guys. So please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video, and go to the crack files option and copy this all files. First of all, you first need to check the note. After you install the crack versions, please read the crack notes, be carefully. So before we copy this file and copy, then your go to your file locations and paste. Okay, then check it's work or not. There is a C, it's work. Then there's a firewall problem. So first of all you do settings and check the corrections. All the process follow please carefully. All the process follow be carefully. Okay. So there is nothing system is firewall issue. So no problem. Please follow the whole process. Thank you for watching this video.